Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix EA Sports FC26. This will be a very quick and easy tutorial on how to fix the crashes and not even launching on your PC. Before we do begin with the video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it for you. Now, before we do get into any steps, make sure to restart your PC first to fix any glitches that might affect the launching and crashes on the game. Once done, go ahead and relaunch your game, and if it fixes, congratulations. If it doesn't, no worries, we have a few tricks up our sleeve. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is by going to on your start menu, go ahead and search in CMD and then run as administrator. Just go ahead and click yes. Once done, this window will pop up. First thing that you need to type is FSC space slash scan now. Basically, this command scans your PC or your files if there has been any corrupted files or missing files. Wait for it to verify completely. Once done, go ahead and type in dism slash online slash cleanup image slash restore help to fix corrupted Windows files. Again, wait for it to finish. Once done, go ahead and relaunch your PC and see if the problem still persists by relaunching your game. Now, no worries, we have a few more steps up our sleeve. Next, we will be adjusting the launch options. To do so, go to your Steam, click on Library, right click on your game, click on Properties. Over here, go to General, and on the launch options, go ahead and type in -dx11 or maybe -dx12. You have to go ahead and test both of these out to see if it improves stability on your game so it won't crash any longer. Next step, go ahead and click on your Steam on the top left, click on Settings, In-Game, and enable Steam Overlay while in-game. If you don't really need it, just go ahead and disable it so it improves stability. Next, right click on your game again, click on Properties once more, and then click on Install Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files, as this will fix any corrupted files that might be on your game and Steam will automatically fix it for you. Once it's finished, go ahead and restart your PC one last time before applying all these changes and your game should be fixed. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.